Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to do the applique on trousers or pants. First of all, I use common pins to fix the location of applique. Then we need to sew it. If you want to learn how I make this applique, I already upload the video on it. You can go to my channel and check it over there. Be careful while making the edges and the corner. It should be nice, neat and clean. During sewing, you can remove the common pins. This is the look. Now I'm adding pin tucks. Make sure pin tucks should be straight and at equal distance from all the edges. I decide to add one more pin tucks. Now I am adding a lace. We need to grip the lace from another direction. This is the final look for the trouser. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.